Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to source for all things home improvement and design. Today, we delve into a sophisticated and highly functional addition to any outdoor living area, the Shade Pergola outdoor kitchen design and ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Shade Pergola Outdoor Kitchen. This structure seamlessly blends the joys of al fresco cooking and dining with the crucial element of shade, creating a comfortable and stylish extension of your home. Let us explore the intricacies and advantages of this remarkable outdoor feature. To begin, let us define what exactly constitutes a Shade Pergola outdoor kitchen. At its core, this refers to an outdoor cooking and dining space that is sheltered by a pergola structure designed to provide shade. A pergola itself is typically an open framework, often constructed from wood, metal, or vinyl, supported by columns or posts. In the context of an outdoor kitchen, this framework is often enhanced with a covering, be it retractable fabric, fixed panels, climbing plants, or even a solid roof section, to offer protection from direct sunlight and, in some cases, light rain. The outdoor kitchen component encompasses various elements such as a grill, countertops for food preparation, storage solutions, sinks, refrigerators, and sometimes even cooking appliances like pizza ovens or side burners. Therefore, a Shade Pergola outdoor kitchen is a thoughtfully integrated outdoor area that allows for the preparation and enjoyment of meals in a shaded and aesthetically pleasing environment. It's about creating a functional culinary space outdoors without compromising on comfort or style. Secondly, it enhances the functionality of your backyard. By integrating cooking, preparation, and dining areas into a single, well-defined space, you create a natural gathering point for family and friends. This encourages more outdoor living and entertaining, transforming your backyard into an extension of your indoor living space. Thirdly, a well-designed Shade Pergola outdoor kitchen adds significant aesthetic value to your property. It can become a stunning focal point, enhancing the overall visual appeal of your landscape. The combination of natural materials like wood or stone with sleek appliances and thoughtful design elements can create a luxurious and inviting ambience. Furthermore, it can increase your property value. Outdoor living spaces, particularly those that are functional and well-appointed like a Shade Pergola outdoor kitchen, are highly desirable to potential homebuyers. This makes it a worthwhile investment in the long run. Finally, it offers a unique culinary experience. Cooking and dining outdoors can be a refreshing change from the routine of indoor meals. The open air, the sounds of nature, and the ability to socialize while preparing food create a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. How do I decorate my Shade Pergola outdoor kitchen to look good? Decorating your Shade Pergola outdoor kitchen is crucial for creating an inviting and cohesive space. Consider these aspects to elevate its visual appeal. One, define the style. Determine the overall aesthetic you wish to achieve. Do you prefer a rustic, natural look with wooden elements and earthy tones? Or a more contemporary feel with sleek metal accents and minimalist decor? Perhaps a Mediterranean-inspired design with terracotta and vibrant colors? Establishing a style will guide your decoration choices. 2. Flooring. The flooring sets the foundation for the entire space. Options include natural stone pavers, concrete with decorative finishes, outdoor tiles, or even composite decking. Choose a material that is durable, weather-resistant, and complements your chosen style. 3. Furniture. Select outdoor furniture that is both comfortable and stylish. Consider the size of your space and the number of people you typically entertain. Options range from classic wicker and rattan to modern metal and sleek upholstered pieces. Ensure the fabrics are specifically designed for outdoor use to withstand the elements. 4. Lighting. Thoughtful lighting can dramatically enhance the ambience, especially in the evenings. Incorporate a mix of ambient lighting such as string lights draped across the pergola, lanterns, or wall-mounted fixtures, task lighting for over countertops and cooking areas, and accent lighting to highlight architectural features or landscaping. 5. Greenery. Introduce plants and flowers to bring life and color to your outdoor kitchen. Consider potted plants, hanging baskets from the pergola, or even climbing vines trained to grow on the structure itself. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate and the amount of sunlight the area receives. 6. Accessories. Add decorative touches that reflect your personal style. This could include outdoor rugs to define seating or dining areas, decorative pillows and throws for added comfort and visual interest, outdoor artwork, and stylish servingware. 7. Countertops and backsplash. The materials and design of your countertops and backsplash significantly impact the overall look. Opt for durable and easy-to-clean materials like granite, quartz, stainless steel, or tile. The backsplash can be a focal point, offering an opportunity to introduce color and texture. 8. Color palette. Choose a cohesive color palette that complements your home's exterior and the surrounding landscape. Consider using natural tones as a base and adding pops of color through accessories and plants. 9. Organization and storage. Implement stylish storage solutions to keep your outdoor kitchen tidy and clutter-free. This could include cabinets, drawers, open shelving, or even decorative baskets. 10. Personal touches. Finally, add personal touches that make the space your own. This could be anything from displaying your favorite outdoor art to incorporating unique vintage finds. What are the best items for a shade pergola outdoor kitchen? Equipping your shade pergola outdoor kitchen with the right items is essential for functionality and enjoyment. Here are some of the best items to consider. First, high-quality outdoor grill. This is the centerpiece of most outdoor kitchens. Opt for a durable grill made from stainless steel with features that suit your cooking style, such as multiple burners, side burners, rotisserie attachments, or even a smoker box. Second, durable countertops. Choose weather-resistant and easy-to-clean countertop materials like granite, quartz, concrete, or stainless steel. Ensure they provide ample space for food preparation and serving. Third, outdoor sink. A sink with running water is incredibly convenient for washing hands, rinsing produce, and cleaning up. Consider a stainless steel sink with a durable faucet designed for outdoor use. Fourth, outdoor refrigerator. Keeping beverages and perishable food items cold outdoors is a game-changer for entertaining. Look for refrigerators specifically designed for outdoor use to withstand the elements. Fifth, weatherproof storage cabinets and drawers. Ample storage is crucial for keeping utensils, cookware, and other essentials organized and protected from the elements. Opt for cabinets and drawers made from durable, weather-resistant materials like stainless steel or marine-grade polymer. Sixth, comfortable outdoor furniture. Invest in comfortable and stylish outdoor seating and dining furniture that is appropriate for your space and the number of people you typically entertain. Seventh, outdoor lighting fixtures. Install a variety of lighting options to ensure your outdoor kitchen is functional and inviting in the evenings. Consider string lights, pendant lights, wall sconces, and task lighting. Eighth, outdoor rug. An outdoor rug can define the dining or seating area, add color and texture, and make the space feel more grounded and inviting. Choose a rug made from durable, weather-resistant materials. Ninth, stylish servingware and utensils. Elevate your outdoor dining experience with attractive and durable servingware, plates, cutlery, and glassware designed for outdoor use. 10th, outdoor speakers or sound system. Enhance the ambience with music. Consider installing weatherproof outdoor speakers or a portable Bluetooth speaker. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best shade pergola outdoor kitchen ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Rustic wood pergola with stone accents. Imagine a sturdy wooden pergola with climbing vines providing natural shade. The kitchen features a built-in stone grill, wooden countertops, and rustic wooden seating. Stone pavers create a natural and earthy feel underfoot. 2. Modern metal pergola with retractable awning. A sleek metal pergola with a retractable fabric awning offers adjustable shade. The kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, minimalist concrete countertops, and modern bar stools for casual dining. 3. Mediterranean-inspired pergola with terracotta tiles. A whitewashed pergola supports a roof of terracotta tiles, creating a charming Mediterranean vibe. The kitchen features colorful tiled countertops, a pizza oven, and wrought iron furniture surrounded by potted herbs. 4. Tropical oasis pergola with lush greenery. A bamboo or dark wood pergola is draped with vibrant tropical plants, providing a lush and shaded environment. The kitchen includes a built-in grill, a bamboo bar, and comfortable wicker furniture with colorful cushions. 5. Coastal chic pergola with light wood and blue accents. A light-colored wooden pergola creates a breezy coastal feel. The kitchen features white countertops, stainless steel appliances, and blue and white striped cushions on comfortable outdoor sofas and chairs. 6. Compact pergola for small spaces. Even a small backyard can accommodate a shade pergola outdoor kitchen. Consider a smaller pergola structure with a built-in grill and a compact countertop with bar seating, maximizing functionality in a limited space. 7. Pergola with integrated bar area. Design your pergola to include a dedicated bar area with a built-in countertop, bar stools, and a beverage refrigerator. This is perfect for entertaining and enjoying cocktails outdoors. 8. Pergola with outdoor fireplace integration. Extend the usability of your outdoor kitchen into cooler evenings by incorporating an outdoor fireplace or fire pit beneath or adjacent to the shaded pergola area. 9. Pergola with climbing fruit trees or grapevines. For a unique and functional shade solution, train fruit trees or grapevines to grow over your pergola. This provides natural shade and fresh produce. 10. Pergola with mixed materials for a unique look. Combine different materials for your pergola and kitchen elements, such as a metal pergola with wooden countertops and stone accents, to create a visually interesting and personalized space. A shade pergola outdoor kitchen is a valuable addition to any home, offering a perfect blend of functionality, comfort, and style. By carefully considering the design, decoration, and essential items, you can create an outdoor space that you and your loved ones will enjoy for years to come. We hope this comprehensive guide has inspired you to consider the possibilities of a shade pergola outdoor kitchen for your own home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more insightful home and garden design ideas. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have. Thank you for watching.